Welcome guys, welcome. So in this video I'll be talking about how to create and earn with ChatGPT. Do like and share this video if there's anyone that you know that this video can be helpful for or to, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to type in Open AI, and once you start typing in Open AI, you'll see ChatGPT, you see it pop up the website, and that is the platform. So you're going to go ahead and click enter. That's openai.com. So what you're going to go to the top center, you're going to hit try. Okay? And once you hit try, I am already logged in. So what I want you guys to do is go ahead and sign in to ChatGPT. Let me see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log out. Okay? Once you go to ChatGPT and you hit try, you're going to see this option right here. Say, welcome to ChatGPT. Log in with your OpenAI account to continue. What you're going to do, you're going to go right here. You're going to click on sign up. You're going to put in your email. You're going to hit continue. You're not going to hit login because you're creating the account, okay? And once you have already signed up and you got your account and everything, what it is going to do is going to take you here. Now, this is the interface, the area where you're going to go ahead and you're going to ask ChatGPT whatever you want, okay? You're going to go right here to new chat. So let's say, for example, you want to create a shorts video, okay, on YouTube. So you want to research a topic. Let's say we want to say, what's the benefits of drinking water? Or say the benefits of drinking water. List the benefits of drinking water. So you see that I gave the AI ChatGPT a command. I say list the benefits of drinking water. Now let's see, I'm going to click enter, and as you can see, it is thinking and it starts to quickly write out the benefits of water. And you see, and it gave me 10 benefits of water. So now what we're going to do, we're going to go over to another website that's called Pictory AI. And for Pictory, what you do is basically type in Pictory into the search box, Pictory.ai. Okay, you're going to go ahead and click enter. And once you click enter, you're going to have the option. You're going to have the option to sign up to Pictory. Now, at the bottom, you scroll, it says welcome to Pictory. You're going to come on down to the bottom. It says new to Pictory. So what you're going to do, you're going to hit sign up. I'm going to log in. I'm going to go back to OpenAI now. And I'm going to go back to my chat. Where's my chat? That I created here. Okay, so here it is, the benefits of drinking water. So what I am going to do, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to copy all of these benefits. Let's see. I'm going to copy all these benefits. Let's see, how long should that take? We have 10 benefits. So we're just going to use the 10 benefits only. Now I'm going to go over to Pictory. Let's say you already have your account set up. Now I'm going to go back to Pictory. And now this is, let's say this is an account that you can, this is the free account you guys have, okay? The next thing you're going to do, you're going to go, you're already signed in everything. You're going to go to script to video. And it says you have the option, you can start typing or you can copy and paste your script, okay? So you can have a little video tutorial at the bottom, which you can watch the video tutorial if you want. So we're going to go ahead and hit proceed. You can hit like Control V to copy. So I'm going to hit that. So I got that copied right there. And let's make the screen bigger. Okay, so I have that copied. Now I'm gonna put the name of the video. Should I do it? Yeah. Benefits of water. Of water. So the thing about Pictory, once you're in there, you can't just simply hit use your mouse to paste. You have to basically use your keyboard to paste your text into Pictory. Into Chat OpenAI, you can basically just use your mouse to copy and paste. But once you reach Pictory, you got to use your keyboard to copy and paste. So let's proceed now. Now we're gonna choose a picture. Now it gives us a bunch of templates, right? Now we're gonna choose a template that may be more fitting for this. And we see happiness, so we're doing that. So now the most fitting template will most likely be the one with the lemon because we're talking about water, right? So now let's select this and let's see what happens. We're gonna do a regular video for YouTube, okay? So we take the 16:9. So we're waiting, we're letting it process and do up to 10 minutes. So let's see. Oh, estimated video duration 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, we're going to choose, we're going to go to audio. Let's go to audio to the left, and we're going to move on over to voice over. Okay. Okay, so that sounds good. So we're going to choose that one. So we're going to click apply. So that's the music we're going to use. I want to not use our face and not use our voice at all. So now let's see. Now we're going to go over, let's hear how Joanna sounds. Sounds nice. Let's hear Stephanie's sound. Here is Steph. Kind of like Joanna. Here, Emma. Okay, so I like Joanna, so I'm going to use Joanna. I'm just going to hit apply. And we can preview the video. We can listen to, we can watch and see how it sounds. So what I am gonna do, we can preview it. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna click generate. Okay, I'm gonna have it generate. ChatGPT does have busy periods where the platform is swarmed with a lot of users at one time. During that time, it might tell you that it looks like we are swamped or we're busy or we're full, we're at capacity, and you may have to wait. It may tell you that you should visit later, or it will give you the option to be notified once you can come online. So it's always good to check and see when is a good time, when you can go back online. What I do for YouTube, because you want to create a YouTube video, correct? So what you're going to do, you're going to go into the download and make sure your computer have enough storage space on it. What we're going to do, we're going to download that onto the computer, right? And we're going to hit create. And this is on a computer. We're doing this on a computer. We're going to go to upload video. And now we're going to select a file, right? We're going to select a file. I already selected my file. And now I'm going to go back up. I have my file selected, my video selected, and here it asks for the video details. Now I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to type it in. Or an easy way, you can just go back over to, you can go over to benefits of drinking water, right? Over to ChatGPT. And we can just copy this, benefits of drinking water. Okay, so want to put it all in bold. So we can either copy to make it easier, or we can type it in. How about we just type it in? So I'm going to hit caps lock, and we're going to type in benefits because we want to make it big and bold. Benefits of drinking water, right? So we got the benefits of drinking water. Excellent. To create your thumbnail, you can come on to Canva. You can create a free, this is canva.com, CANVA. You can create a free account, and when you're downloading, you want to choose JPG. Okay, so many other ways to build passive income, but I wanted to share this video with you.